Welcome. Even the most carefully designed processes might present problems during production. It is important that in case a design flaw appears, you are able to find its origin to correct it. In this video, I will show you how to use Teamcenter Quality to perform a root cause analysis to address and resolve design issues efficiently. I've received notice of a quality issue that initiates the problem-solving process. With a defect being detected in the cover box, I'll explore how Teamcenter Quality can effectively help me analyze and investigate the root cause and define appropriate actions to address the problem. When dealing with an issue, I can check the Team tab to review each member for their assigned roles and responsibilities. The Problem Description section documents detailed information about the nonconformity issue. In this specific case, the team has identified a dimensional deviation where the cover measurements exceed the specified tolerances. With Teamcenter, I can perform a root cause analysis using the 5 Why methodology, which involves asking why multiple times to dig deeper into the problem until the root cause is identified. Once the root cause analysis is completed, I can define and assign the necessary corrective actions. With Teamcenter, I can visualize all interconnected elements of the analysis and their corresponding relations through different views in the system. I then generate a standardized report to share with all relevant stakeholders. Teamcenter provides capabilities to drive a comprehensive problem-solving process, with which I can collect issues, investigate problems, discover root causes, identify corrective and preventive actions, and generate standardized reports to document the entire process. If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.